Hey, I just got my new cube from Amazon. So I'm gonna go ahead and open it up. So let me set my camera down so you can see everything I'm doing. Haven't seen this yet, so pretty excited. Alright. Okay, it's a transparent cube. It's pretty fucking badass, if I say myself. And let's go ahead and test it out. Pretty smooth out for the box, or package, I should say. Feels a bit brittle. I wouldn't want to drop it anytime. So, let's just let's see about corner cutting, reverse corner cutting. See how far it can go. 1.5 QBs for the reverse corner cutting. Let's see about forward. 1.5 for the forward. Let's see. Yeah, I mean, it feels great. I mean, you can also adjust the tensions on it with the center caps. Let me go ahead and do a really quick solve. It's been a while since I've had a very good cube. Sorry it's taking me so long. It's been a while since I've actually solved one. Damn, this feels amazing. Wow, so fucking smooth. Wow, I'm just impressed. Completely impressed. On Amazon.com, this cube is like it's free shipping, and also $3.98 for the whole total. So it's a really good buy for how pretty much. Alright, solved. Yeah, it looks freaking amazing. Alright, but yeah, I'm gonna sign off and subscribe and everything. Do what you gotta do and give me some video suggestions to what I should do. Alright, so peace out.